good morning, or good night, or good afternoon, whatever time that you guys are watching this. It's been a while. Yeah. How are you guys? How is everyone? I am doing this video to share my testimony. I hope you guys are hearing me. Share my testimony. I said I wasn't going to, but the Lord said I should, so I am just obeying. Alright? Welcome back to the fam bam, to the Leah tribe. And I hope you guys will be encouraged, and hope you guys will share this with someone so it can help them along the way as well. Alright? So let's get into the testimony. As most of you guys know, I'm a Seventh-day Adventist, right? So I got pregnant. First of all, I did not know that was possible. And I tell you the truth, I never knew it possible. So I never did really about it. I just usually sit down and say, God, I'm going to get a child. Because it don't look so. I don't feel so, you know. But we have one prayer warrior. So she see me. She called me and say, you know, say I could get pregnant. So I laugh because, oh please. I mean, me usually say Leah in the Bible was barren. So maybe I the same thing with me. However, that was not the case. But anyways, she said that, and I never take it serious. So when she said that, now I start avoid everybody who me can avoid. I don't want to touch nobody, and none of them something there. Now, find out I'm pregnant. But when I'm near 5 weeks, and because me irregular, so me find out more 5 weeks. But near 5 weeks, yeah. Anyways, but then I say, God, I'm going to tell my family. My mother upon one day if you ever have picked me before me dead. And my sister, one nephew or one niece, can't look how much me give you. And my brother, which is my sister's husband, that was, I must say when for them big son, a old man, me I go get Pitney. Because I don't know, maybe because I almost still, them say so. And them know some never have no intention to have Pitney. Because my sister have 2 sons and 2 girls. But it was just 2 girls and 1 boy. So I basically my Pitney them. Understand? So me raised them, so I was like, and when them start getting trouble, I say, alright, me have Uno already, me not go for none. Because this what Uno keep up. When me can just hand on over back to the mother and father, me have to go put up with that. So you guys are my children. So anyways, the Lord said so. So as I say 5 weeks, go 5 weeks to find out. So I tell them, nobody never believed me. Everybody was like, you may ever fast with them and them to me. Them tell you, stop the pranking. This is a serious something. You can't play with me so cause you know someone want a niece or a nephew, and you know someone want a grandpitney or whatever. So when them say, that's true. Like everybody was in shock or disbelief. You hear me I tell you? Yeah. So I must be about 1 week or 2 weeks it's settling, but as I tell them say alright, book appointment with Dr. Wait and them get the ball rolling and everything. Sister get active, everybody get active and start doing money. So go doctor. I can't complain. My pregnancy did good. I just never like the vomiting for the first 3 months. That did just aggravate me. But it did do me well. It hackled up my carpal tunnel, and my foot did swell in the last part. But it was fairly good, I can say. But it full of back pain and all these things. However, anyways, the prayer warrior said to me, say, that baby, the pregnancy or the delivery are going to be a miracle. So girl, I say, alright, because I remember, she never know this. I remember when I tell my sister, I say, God, you still do miracles? Because I read the Bible, you know, I say, then when you read the Bible and you read what go on, and you say, watch them something, I could tell that, me even hear about them something, I see them something for myself. I say, God, you still do miracles? You still do them things, yeah? So you see, and that was years from the day about college that. So that a whole heap of years. And then now, she said to me, it's going to be a miracle. So I was like, okay. Okay. Dede, so me I say, alright, God, this is going to be the miracle. I'm going to go in there, and boom, baby born, under 15 minutes. Boom, 5 minutes come in and come out. Everybody going to say, wow, okay, wow. Hey. I went in there. And the night I went in, because my belly, I never did feel no pain. I just sit down and I say, V, my belly feel like it had tight up for me, and then it just let go. So she said, girl, yeah, I have contractions. So I said, but I don't feel no pain. I don't go on like, oh, you did I go on. I don't feel nothing. So I just sit down there. And she said, when you feel it again, tell me. So I say, I feel that one day. And I say, it's still a tight up. I say, I feel another one. And I just saw me sit down and I say, I feel that one day. That one is long. And I say, maybe I guess. But that's not possible because I eat right through. So she time it, and then she said, yeah, hospital we are going to go bed. So I said, well, what the excitement for? I know nothing. It's not anything, just calm, because I don't like certain excitement, you know. I don't like waste people time, I don't like people waste my time, I don't like waste time over. So me not going to put on clothes, boom, 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 rush gone up there when I look nothing. Anyways, my father and she and my mother, then everybody get ready. Daddy and everybody. Daddy, my sister, me. Because my brother did watch the baby them. So we go up there, up at hospital. Go in, but through me I walk normal and because please, I don't know what the hell the excitement, because as I said, I feel now. Go in the hospital. We go up. I say, nurse, may I have contractions? Okay. So maybe because I did look young at the time, they must think to me that one, you know, young girl will breed and whatever. So I don't pay that no mind, because I said, look, I'm not come up here come get an attitude, because I'm not come left on the table and none of them something. So I just easy myself and make she go on and she want to go on. So them say, they put me on the table, strap me up to see if I that go on. So I lay down there. And I see them and say something about machine. So she say the machine and pick up contractions. But maybe too much just lay down there like a log. They must say the machine now works. So them change out the machine and one sheet where we read something, whatever it is. And them get the same thing. So they must say maybe there's something wrong with the machine or whatever. So anyways, them have on, you know, there's something when monitor the baby heartbeat, them have on that ability to patch out my belly, bruise my skin, peel off my skin and patch my belly to all long. Them have something for me, I try to understand what is going on. Anyways, so as I said, I'm going to prepare them, flush me out. So I'm going there like, example, I'm going there like, what did I say? To show you how close. I'm going there like a Tuesday night. And you see to how long the process was, to how long everybody I read what is what and whatever. And then flush me how long I'm little down there, can't see baby, can't have baby. My mother in there with me. Because initially it was supposed to be my father in there with me. Because my mother can't take them side there. So daddy outside with my sister. My mother in there with me. So them exchange. She come out, daddy come in. Right? And my sister of course so she can't come in. So anyways, to how long me did in the hospital, it feel like 3 days and 3 nights. When it was just 1 day. Like mother going the Tuesday as I say and the Wednesday night my baby. So anyways, the nurse, everybody change shift. New people come in. And my daddy like, Mommy, what going? How much days now people are coming and come on? Mommy say, I just today. I say, what you say? I just after 9 or something like that. She said, I say, what you say? Mwanga me yard. I say, we can't cancel this. We can't cancel the whole something and just go home. Because nothing happen. And this annoy me now. I say, no, I'm not saying it work here. I don't say I'm saying it work. But I just want, I'm tired to lay down on my back. All me I think about is suppose me have bed sore. Suppose me get bed sore. But I say, I'm not saying it work. Anyways, it was so uncomfortable lying down there. Because I want to move and I can't move to home, strap up with, because they give me fluid. I must see 6 bags of fluid me get. Because nothing happened, as I say, and them say dilated, how much about 4 centimeter dilated. When my sister was pregnant the first time, I'm going to ask certain questions because certain things just to know. So when them say she dilated, she 4 centimeter dilated, me I say, yeah, baby, they're near. Because them are going to use the ruler them I use for push up, like to touch the baby head. So they measure the distance from the baby head to the entrance, to the exit. So every time I hear 4 centimeter, I say, alright, baby, so come check what me ear 6 centimeter. I say, why the baby I go back up? Me ear 8. I say, what am I forgot to do? Cut her or something? Now I say, when them say that, now pick up the centimeter. Huh? So a bigger, it I get bigger. You see when me find out when me in hospital. And I was like, I that I go and down this 8 centimeter, 10 centimeter. So them say between 6 to 8 or 8 to 10 something. Alright. And my one did I move 1 centimeter per 3 hour or not even say 3 hours. I'm going the 4 and I had baby at must be 7, 8. I have to force because as I say it was just so long and tedious and just anyways the nurse come in and she give me attitude and whatever and she go home that period shift change so she go home and I pray I just lay down and pray I say God no I'm not in the discomfort me already in a pain I'm not in a calm body. Nurse come back the next morning and I say you still there? I go home and I pray for you. I was like why that sound like she got just hold the baby by the head and pull the baby out. So I just lay down there and I say interesting. So I just lay down and just relax. So as me I say contractions are going but because I know nothing them not know, them not take it serious. So anyways I put on drip on my backside. But before the drip I never know so when you go for a baby you turn museum. Everybody come in and just view your artifacts. And I was so uncomfortable. I say man, I say woman, I say tall, I say short, and everybody I view my artifacts. And then would even say cover up your face so the people them not match back your face with your artifacts. When me lay down, you see one cup, you see your foot open up so everybody just come and yes, this is what and that is that. And I say, give them something in a class now. Why me? Why everybody must see me? I still have like a pride. Because my mother love type of say, see you? How you going? When you have baby, you know, shame tree, I go cut. Sorry, but certain part of my shame tree, no cut. Because I still remember how them the doctor they look up. I don't know which part else them did left to look when me depend at the bed day. I was so frustrated and everything and maybe now come prayer warrior get on the case again. Start praying. I say God, But the miracle, I think the miracle would have been come in and boom, 5 minutes, baby born, everything alright. I just go home same time. That would be the miracle I want. Who is me? Excuse you? Eh? She get on the case. And then induce me, them give me something. I don't know if I do something, them induce me. Them say, when the contraction come, she will sleep, but when the contraction comes, she will wake up and then she go back to sleep. So my mother didn't live with me. I'm really feel my so. And then I feel sitting man. And the only thing I could do was go so. I said, Mommy squeeze me hand. Mommy squeeze my hand. My mother said, no, you squeeze my hand. I said, Mommy squeeze my hand. You have to squeeze my hand so I can't take my mind off of that pain and put it somewhere else. I don't have no energy to squeeze your hand. Because every time I feel it, I say, Mommy squeeze my hand. So mommy squeeze my hands until them finger I don't know if them did farm one. And that helped me. So them say, alright, we're going to bust the water. Water. Yeah, I said, you don't hear them say, I'm going to bust that. And the lady set the pan under me, she said, so much water you have in you? Hey, this sitting full and you still around water? All I go and I just chuckle, because all I want you, she said, baby, come out. Nothing have to start. So, while me in there, I text my sister and I tell her when I go through and the girl out there did with laugh. Because I don't know what she out there did with laugh and all the people that were out there, but I don't know what they did laugh to because she tell my mother and father. Because when they do certain things, they send them home. So tell my mother and father, what are them out there they did laugh. Even when you to have him baby mother in the him out there laugh at me. I don't know what you think about him out there laugh at me. But I don't mind. Because he might laugh. Alright, so then mommy come back here. I say, look here. So me the day I say, God, what me do that baby? Why that baby don't want to come out of me? I say, God, me can't just pack up back everything and come back home. And I say, no, but I just want to get over the process. I just want this over with. I just want everything to come up. I just want this done with. But I want to go home because this now going away. I'm frustrated, I'm tired, I'm fed up. God. I say, God, man, what me do you? I say, I show me a baby out of wedlock. God, what is? I say, God, you know, I never really want married. I just didn't want the baby. But no, man. I'm sorry. I never cried. And I cry when... But all of that, you know, you're just attacking at the heat of the moment. So, anyways, today on prayer warrior, prayer, mommy, I squeeze my hand, daddy come in. Daddy even come and talk about so come. I don't want you not talking. I don't want you no talking. I want to see baby come out. So I said, Daddy, just squeeze my hand. Please, I don't want you nothing. Nothing right now. But that's not my father. I have to talk you through something. So, my mother come back in. Father go out. Anyways, so. Love my parents today. Anyways. Sister out there cuss how she can come in. And she want to come in. And wait. Anyways, I say nurse that they monitor and I monitor the heartbeat of the baby and she say, alright, this how this looks so. The baby after eat alright and then all of a sudden it drop. So I just lay down because I'll shut up. This is me. So what you gonna do? That no one know. What you gonna do? How this gonna go? What the process? What next? Am I going back home? Are you going to take the child from me? What? Anyways, later me and she said, I don't like all this. So someone said, nurse, I want to do. She said, you want to do? Wait, don't come. And she just listen to me. I never get up off of the bed quick. It's like the nurse lift me up herself and carry me going to the delivery room. Got one big bright light sitting in there. Put me up on the bed. And she said, alright. Listen to me and them talk through whatever. Talk. So my sister did peep through the door and she said, alright. she gone in, I give report out there, because I fear I pick me I have. So she give report and I update mommy them to me. I don't know, don't ask me where my phone them there. They must still live on the bed out there, so me gone in here, so I walk more up to the room. So I say push. Me there push. I push, so till I don't know if my intestine alone did left to push out. Nothing. No, say come man, Lily, you not push man, you not push, you waste time man, you don't want the baby come out. Me say me a push. No, say you're not pushing. Me say me a push. And that go on for a good amount of time. And when I tell me lay down, I'm about to give up, you know, I feel like me are dead. Like everything supply a lack of. I say God just take me. Just take me please. Because this is too much and we cannot bother with this. And then is like the Spirit say, the Spirit of the Lord give me an energy there. I sit up in the bed and I push. And the nurse turned around. She said, yes, Lily, come, push again. Push. I said, wait. No, wait. Wait, I'm tired. Nurse, I'm tired. I can't push again. Just wait. The doctor jump up in the bed, you see, and the woman sit down over me. And the woman knead my belly like a flower. They say when the woman use her hand and she goes so boom and I push out the baby. See me and I said, I can't breathe. I said, I can't breathe. Me are dead. Them look for me. Ask if them look for me or pay me mine. So she said, when me I do it, you push. And me I tell them, say me I did, they not pay me no money. And say, when me I do it, you push. So when she do it, me just I push. Let me see the head. Yeah, no. And when you have girl, what a baby I do it so much here? And she said that, they say, man. So, anyways, let me see the head. So she said, push again. So I go, I'm pushing. She said, stop. Call PD. Call times 3. So me just did and I said that sound like the call up running like 3 times. Anyways, I stop push. She said, lady, don't push again till you hear me say so. So she take off the card and she said, call PD, so PD come in and then baby push out the rest of the baby, everything. So PD come in and she turn and she look for me. And when me and I go make for me, she goes and look off. And the rest of the nurses, nobody no want to look for me. Because whatever. Anyways. They tear up me. Anyways, I lay down there. I hear baby I cry. Nothing. Everybody just look for me, so like, you know, I'm just lay down. But me I see what's going on, because me I look in at the light, the silver part of the light. Me I look and I see what's going on over there. So because my people, me can baby not breathe. The color we me see of the child from looking up in the light was like a bluish purplish. So I lay down. Honestly, I don't know when I cry. I just say, God, you promised me a miracle, so my child can't dead. Because what would be the miracle? And I say, God, you tell me, say my pregnancy, my delivery is going to be a miracle, so I expect the miracle. So I'm not even going to listen to what they say. I'm not even going to look for what going over there. So because you tell me, say, it will be a miracle. Feed over there, rub and do everything with them to do pass, this, pass, that, whatever me I hear them. And then the nurse see, remember she pull out the sitting out of me. When the sitting come out of me, I say, wait, they did have another baby inside? The placenta. Nobody could tell me the size of that something. I was like, when I see this something, see me here? What that? Which part that hole in me? But the baby did so. Which part? I dismiss that anyways, because I hear nothing. Then we see this. I'm say them get on it, you know. And then work, you know. Plus what God promised me, you know. Then work. And then we see she just wrap up. Me a stretch for all the baby. The baby come back. Baby start breathe and everything. So me hear that, I just go. You see it there. I'm ready for go sleep. And she come to me. So me a stretch for all the baby. She said, no mommy. But the baby I go through, we don't know how long the baby did without oxygen. And all them something there, straight down on nursery. See me here? Said God, I'm just glad to see the baby alive. And I see the face. And just when I see the face, that was the picture of the baby I hold on to until I come out of the ward there and could have a look for the baby. Anyways, I'm saying, don't know. They broke me. I don't want to call them name because not everybody want people know where them work and them things. So I never ask them, so I'm not going to do it. But you see the nurse them, that one day, that rough one day, the student one who did there with me, and she carry my food come give me. The doctor will sit down in my belly, and is a she. And the other one where got tell my parents say baby born, you see them four them remember this thing. And I think I the same one will tell the mommy them say the baby born are the same one where the dad prepare me for have baby. I don't think so, but if not, that one day too. I see them one day. God bless you. So that was over.